is a good day. It is a good day. You hear like construction sounds, you hear, all the city sounds, but if you're up here, you don't give a shit. You don't give a shit. Now, this is a video that I wanted to do for quite some time, but I thought that it needed a different kind of scenery, and this is the right time. It's one of the divas. It's one of the very hard to take care of plants. I don't think so. You know why? Small parenthesis. I used to have 3 of them. Only one survived. One of them had like fungus. The other one had mealybugs. Not a good experience. But the one that survived, actually, she's thriving. And even though she's kind of like in her dormancy period, she's quite growing. With no further ado, it's one of the divas. Yes, it's the Alocasia Polly. Look at this leaf, man. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, here it is. She has 3 leaves now. This is the newest one. Oh, wait. No, this is the newest one. And yeah. A diva plant. A very high maintenance plant. And a lot of people, you know what? To be honest, you're kind of right. Because even for me, I've had this phase when you just shout to the plant because you're like, what do you need? What do you want? What do you want? Let's see a replay.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? What do you want?
That. I was actually Noah as well. I had that thing when I was watering her in the bathtub, giving her plant shower, and she was kind of like, so what do you want? I found out what she needs. I am very excited about this. I'm going to share all the tips right here. And let's start with light. So my Polly is on the library. I have a very bright living room. She's on the top hanging with the books on the top of the library. And I found out that they like some bright indirect light, but I think they like a spot when there is a combo of soft indirect light and bright indirect light. And now you're gonna say, mate, how am I gonna achieve this? To be honest, it's either gonna be at the top of like a library or like on the top of any furniture will do wonders, but you need to avoid the direct sunlight. You guessed right. Another tropical plant, it gets sunburned. So the combo of the light, it needs to be soft towards the bright. This light right here, it is okay. They can survive in mild light, but the growth will be a little bit like so and so. But don't get this baby if you don't have like a very, let's say, good spots with light. If you don't have very good spots with light, don't take it because they're not that forgiving with dark corners. Avoid dark corners at all costs. They don't like it at all. Watering now that is a tricky part. This is like me, Noah, but I love her to bits. So when it comes to watering now, they're not forgiving. They're not forgiving. You know why? Because you need to find the balance. Now, what I always loved about alocasias is that they like to be moist, but they also like to be dry. They like water and they don't like water. Ding! Yeah. So what I found to be the best thing for them is to check the soil, make sure it's damp. If it is a little bit damp, let it dry a bit and then water it the next day. I don't have a trick to tell you. What I do is I always check her soil. When she is about to dry, I water her. Now, I watered her yesterday. It's just moist to damp. and she loves it. I think she's gonna she has a new leaf coming out. She has new growth. Wait, you need to see this. Wait. It is here from this corner. I don't know if you see it. No, wait. Okay, it's right here. Ta-da! Yep. So, as I've been telling you already, you need to find the balance and don't have a schedule. It's gonna ruin your plans when it comes to actually want to keep them as a roommate. This leaf though. So check the soil when it is about to dry. Just give it a little bit of water and let them be. The more you give it, the more attention they get, the more they become divas. So the more attention they get very high maintenance. So just let them be, let them do their thing. Only check the soil, make sure they have some good light, and they will be fine. Now, fertilizing. I don't fertilize too much as well. It doesn't go to the peperomia watermelon direction, but during spring, summer, she only got 1 fertilizing shot per month. Yeah, it was once a month. And, you know, in between, some potato water, spaghetti water. Yeah, and the NPK 999 fertilizing. Yeah, once a month of NPK 999. And in between, like, a shot of banana water, spaghetti water. And, yeah, she is pretty happy, I must say. Now, in case you don't want the NPK 999, what you can do instead is every 4 weeks, give it a little bit of iron during summer. Keep attention to this because they go through a little bit of dormancy during the winter. They don't grow, they go to sleep. So if you fertilize it during the winter, not gonna do much. It's just unnecessary energy that they're not going to use. So just, some banana water, spaghetti water, I think it's the best thing you can do to just give it some nutrients during dormancy so they can have a good sleep. And then iron or NPK once a month for the NPK, iron every 4 weeks. Another note when it comes to fertilizing, I've seen a lot of people doing it. I don't know why. The fertilizer is applied only when the soil is damp or moist. If you try to do it, apply the fertilizer when the soil is actually dry, it burns the roots, it burns the plant. So make sure that if you want to fertilize it actually, to have the soil moist or slightly damp, okay? Potential problems you might face. Pests. Mealybugs, love them. You know why? Because they have delicious stems and wait, I need to show this on the big leaf. They have delicious stems and very nice leaf composure. And they're quite tasty. And what you will notice, the first sign that you will notice when something's not right is that they develop yellow spots and there are brown at the center. This means that you have pests either on the leaves, at the bottom, or in the soil. So what is the first thing you need to do? Check the leaves, clean them very thoroughly, spray with neem oil if you have it, or rubbing alcohol, it is just fine, and then check the soil. Change it if you have to. It will thank you. It will be eternally grateful. They will love you a little bit more. I can promise that. Divas. Hey, hello, queen. And they will be fine. Now, if you're overwatering, what will happen is they will have this brown edges that you have to cut the leaf because it will keep going on and on and on until it reaches the leaf, and then the leaf will drop. I've tried it. I've tested it in my 2 previous Alocasia Pollys that I had, and I try to save it. I tried to see if the plant will save the leaf, but apparently it didn't like it. They don't keep their leaves, so just cut the leaf and hope for the best. A lot of people ask if Alocasia Pollys are toxic. They're not toxic, they're mildly toxic. Now, if a kid swallows it, might cause vomiting. Same goes with a cat or a dog. They have vomiting if it touches the skin, the sap from the inside, it creates like some, red spot, kind of like eczema, like how eczema it is. It's a little bit itchy, but you can put on some cream and it's gonna be fine. But it's mildly toxic. Don't freak out. It's only if a stem is cut or if a kid or a dog actually swallows or bites the leaf. It might create some vomiting, but that is just about it. And another extra tip, because once I start, I never stop. These divas like humidity. They thrive in plant showers, especially the lukewarm ones. Actually, it's not just about the poly one, but generally all alocasias have one thing in common. They like the lukewarm water and the plant showers because it gives them humidity. And given that they grow in the rainforest, when they have exactly that, they thrive. They like this lukewarm water humidity that they give, and if you give them plant showers, they will love you just a bit more. Again, I don't promise, because they're the divas, there are divas, but I can guarantee you they will be happy. She's happy, right? Look at her. This leaf, I can't. Do do do. I completed the video without any interruptions. This is my fucking spot.